Hi there, I'm Dan and welcome to the You Can Too RV channel. Please follow us as we share our RVing experiences. We own an early century motorhome and over the last couple of years have spent a lot of time and money making upgrades, modifications, and repairs. Today I'm going to talk to you about a fun little upgrade that I made last year that's inexpensive and easy to do. Our motorhome, like many of the same era, came with dated, ugly, factory decor and a whole bunch of mirrors. There was a particular framed still life print stuck firmly to the wall that we really hated. We wanted to replace the artwork, but I worried about wall damage if I tried to remove it. I came up with a simple solution: convert the artwork to a whiteboard. I ordered a kit from Amazon and it even came with erasable markers. I followed the manufacturer's instructions and applied the film directly to the glass. This instantly changed the personality of our interior. We now have a functional whiteboard covering the dated picture of fruit. This would also work well over mirrors, refrigerators, or any other hard surface. If you've never applied large sheets like this, here's a few tips that might help you. First, clean the surface in your hands before starting. This is really important. Cut the material larger than you need. Don't worry about wasting what you're going to cut off. Wet the surface with water from a spray bottle. Use a flat, non-scratching tool to work the bubbles out from the inside. If you end up with a couple of small bubbles, they'll go away by themselves after a few days. Then be patient. Let it sit overnight and then bring out a straight edge like a ruler and a sharp razor blade knife and gently cut the excess off of the edges. And if this doesn't work out the first time, simply cut out a new sheet, try again. Remember, if I can do this, you can too. I've included an affiliate link below for the kit that I used. Thanks for watching today, and be sure to let me know if you try this. Please subscribe to this new channel and click on the notification bell. I'd appreciate a thumbs up if you find this useful.